Hey guys, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. It's Isabella, and today I'm sharing a little clip from an interview we did with Ronnie. He's a fellow YouTuber and Uber driver. All his links will be down below, but before we get started, I wanted to give a huge shout out to Play Octopus. Play Octopus is a company that gives you a tablet completely for free to put in the back of your car if you're an Uber or Lyft driver. Riders can play games on there, and in turn, you can get up to an extra $100 per month, so I definitely recommend getting one. If you are interested, we have a link down below for that, so be sure to check out Play Octopus. Anyways, let's get into the video.
This is kind of an odd question, but
No, go ahead.
have you noticed any health issues just driving so many hours and like being seated for so long?
Yeah, for sure. And that's a good point. I mean, there are definitely health risks and health issues that people gonna come across, but more than likely they gonna come across those health issues at some point anyway. Because if you're not working out, then driving or no driving, you screwed. So you got to take care of yourself. You got to eat properly. You got to exercise. That's why I try to I don't know how much of my content you've seen, but I bring my perfect push-ups with me. Knock out a set in between trips. You want to stay in relatively good shape. I mean, if you just driving, sitting down, not moving, eating fast food, eating Whoppers and stuff, then yeah, man, like slowly but surely your health gonna start to deteriorate. So you want to be aware of that. And that's the thing, man. It's deeper than just driving. It's kind of like a lifestyle, like grinding, eating good, setting goals, creating visions, like all that.
Yeah, because I interviewed this other guy that was saying that I guess it's pretty common for people to have like joint problems in their
Yeah.
knees.
Hmm.
So I guess that's why it's good to kind of get up, walk around, or like stretch every
Yeah. Get up,
hour
stretch. I mean,
maybe.
even myself, I have to get better at that, but I'm not gonna make excuses. I mean, yeah, you definitely have to exercise, but how many of those people are actually running? Running, on the treadmill or running like a half mile or whatever. You gotta find ways to get it done, especially if you only driving like 6 to 8 hours. I mean, shit, you could easily like exercise if you really 10, 12 hours, 60, 80 hours a week. I mean, I get it's definitely harder, but it's still some time of the day to get a little quick
Yeah,
workout in.